Hi everyone, welcome to this van tour feature video. Today I'll be talking through the shower cubicle and the features that we've installed into this Sprinter conversion, which is called Stacia. So as we open up the door, you can see that we've put this full length mirror on the inside. You can see here that we've installed a Dometic mini Heki roof light. This allows for some natural light to pass into the shower cubicle, but more importantly allows for sufficient ventilation, which is what we recommend you have in your shower cubicles. Looking at the shower itself, we've got a domestic style mixer bar and riser, and this is fed from the Truma Combi hot water boiler, and it provides really good pressure. The walls of this shower cubicle are lined with Rico Surfaces plastic panels. These are made to look like metro tiles and are really good to use inside your van conversion as a lightweight alternative to adhesive, grout and ceramic tiles. They're really easy to use and install and can be cut using a knife or a jigsaw. This shower cubicle is slightly larger than some of the other ones we've installed in our conversions. The customer decided to have a fixed-in toilet and a Kildwick separator kit. This means that they don't have to take the toilet in and out once they're showering. As is pretty standard in all our conversions, we fit a heat vent in the bottom. This will dry the shower cubicle out and can also act to dry out any wet clothes that you may have or towels throughout the night. You can see that the Truma vent runs through the box seat along the wall into the garage space where it meets the boiler. We have also opted to fit a duckboard into the base of this shower cubicle for aesthetics, and it fits really nicely within this shower tray.
Thanks for watching. We do hope you enjoyed this van tour. We'd love you to like and subscribe to our channel where you'll find lots more van tours and tutorial videos. If you're interested in your own van conversion, do get in touch. Thanks again for your support.